Dr. Maria Farsari is a research director at IESL, where she joined at 2003. Her main research interests are laser-based additive manufacturing, multi-photon lithography, laser-based fabrication of 2D and 3D micro and nanostructures, and materials processing using ultrafast lasers. Maria received her undergraduate degree from the Physics Department, University of Crete, and her Ph.D. in 1997 from the Physics Department, University of Durham, UK. After graduating, she worked as a postdoctoral research fellow at the Universities of Durham and Sussex and as a Senior Optical Scientist for the security company DeLaRue Holographics. She was a founding member of the Dublin company Xsil Ltd.